In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coil boots on this BMW X5. These are going to be attached to the ignition coils. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this cover, this push pin's holding it in. I'm just going to use a push pin removing tool or a trim tool. Just get underneath them. Pull those up. Pull those out and grab the cover. I'm going to slide it to the left. It comes right off. There should be little covers right here. You're going to use a straight blade screwdriver or a little pick. Just get underneath there, pop those off. This vehicle doesn't have those. And use a 10mm socket. Take these bolts out. Those out, grab the cover, just pull it up. Over the bolt holes, there's a couple covers. This one only has one. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop that off. Use a 10mm socket, take the nut out. I'll just use a magnet, pull that out. Do the same on this one. Take that nut out as well. Take the oil cap off. And just grab the cover, pull the cover off. And then we're just going to take the oil cap, put that back on. Just so nothing falls in there. Now we're going to disconnect this coil. Just take this little ratchet. It's going to go up. Slide off. That's how you disconnect it. We're going to take these two bolts out. There is a ground wire on this bolt, and if you're doing the back coil, you're going to have the same. You're going to have a ground wire attached to that as well. Use a 10mm socket. Take the bolt out. There's that ground strap, and take this one. That out and grab the coil, twist it a little bit, and it comes right out. Now to take the boot off, I'm just going to use a pick. Just get underneath here and just loosen up the boot. And you can grab the boot, twist it back and forth, and it pulls right off. Take the boot, slide that in, lock it in place. I'm going to take a little silicone or dielectric grease and just a thin coat on the end, just where the spark plug is going to sit, not on the electrode, but where the porcelain's going to sit. Take the coil, line that up, push that over the plug, and take the bolts, get those started. This other one has the ground strap. Get that started. And snug those down. Take the connector, pull up the little lever, push that in, and then push down, lock it in place. And you can do the same with the other ones. Take the oil cap off, put this cover on, get that lined up. All right, and put the cap on. And put the nuts on. Snug those down. Put the back one on. Snug that down. Now take the cover. Get lined up. Lock that in place. Put the back one on if your vehicle has it. Now put this cover on. That lined up. Snug those down. Now take this cover and line this up in the airbox. Take the push pins and secure it down. There you go, good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.